Hey, what's up YouTube? Pete here. Hope everyone had a happy and safe 4th of July. But I want to share with you, I ordered this stonsho for the Hellcat. So what this does, I don't have to drill into the front bumper. I can use existing hardware, so I'll go ahead and open it up and show you what comes in here. Here's your hardware. This is for your license plate, and then actually we'll screw into the bottom of the front bumper, and then this is the stonsho. Very nice piece. So when it's on there, your plate will sit on this part, and this will go underneath, and then you pull this pin here like so. That comes out, and then this plate is basically invisible underneath. And then if you want to reattach your plate, just pop it back in there like so, and it stays in place. So we'll go ahead and get started with the install here. Alright, so if you film down here, so you can see, okay, you have some existing Phillips head screws. You're just going to simply unscrew it right here. And you'll be supplied with longer screws in the kit. But that way you don't have to drill into the front of the bumper. And in our state, it's required to have a front plate on there. So that's why I ordered the shonsto. See what size. It seems to fit. So a 7mm fits it. And it's also got the natural, like the curvature, so it should look nice once it's mounted up here. And when you're torquing these, just take it easy. You don't have to go super tight with them, because it is plastic it goes into, and it will rip right out the other side. So just snug it up. Okay. And then I'll show you how the bracket goes back in there. Alright, and then you got your plate holder. Like I said earlier, you just kind of put it back in place here. Got my pin locked in, and there's still a gap here, and there's actually a little piece of rubber so it won't mess up the bumper. And that's it. Just, got some flex to it, but it's that simple, and they give you the hardware to mount your license plate here. And then, like I said, if you go to a show or you want to take it off, you come over here, you pull this little pin, take it out, put it in the trunk or wherever you want to put it. Alright, thanks for watching.